Welcome to Modanique. Here, we share fresh ideas to help you decorate your dream home, from vintage and shabby chic to rustic and modern styles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In rustic vintage homes, the real charm is in the little things. A change in texture, a soft lamp, or a simple detail can make a room feel warmer, bigger, and more inviting. Rustic homes are full of character, but sometimes they feel small or crowded. With the right details, you can keep the charm while making the space feel open and balanced. Big windows, sheer curtains, and light wall colors instantly make a home feel larger. Sunlight also brings out the beauty in old wood and antiques. A vintage mirror does more than look pretty. It reflects light and doubles the sense of space. Place one across from a window to make any room feel bigger. Soft colors like cream, beige, or sage green create a sense of openness. Then add rustic touches, like wooden beams or an antique table, for warmth and character. Rustic homes often have lots of antiques and decor. The trick is choosing a few special pieces and letting them shine. Less clutter makes the home feel intentional, not crowded. Large vintage furniture can take over a room. Place it carefully along walls, or choose smaller pieces to create flow and openness without losing charm. For furniture that does more than one job. A bench with storage or an old trunk as a coffee table saves space while keeping the rustic look. Heavy fabrics can weigh a room down. Choose light cotton or linen for curtains and throws. Simple patterns like stripes or florals and soft colors keep things cozy but airy. Instead of one big dark rug, use a few lighter rugs layered together. It adds texture and depth while making the space look more open. Good lighting changes everything. Vintage-style chandeliers, pendant lights, or sconces with warm bulbs add both character and brightness. Closed cabinets can make a room feel tight. Open shelves made from reclaimed wood add storage, display charm, and make walls feel wider. Glass doors, lamps, or cabinets reflect light and balance the heaviness of wood. They keep rustic homes from feeling dark or cramped. Plants instantly freshen up a rustic home. A pot of herbs, dried flowers, or a simple vase of greenery brings life and softness to any room. Hang artwork in vintage frames a little higher to make walls feel taller. Group smaller pieces together for a clean gallery look without clutter. Dark wood can feel heavy. Lighter woods like oak, pine, or whitewashed finishes make rooms brighter and more spacious. Create small nooks with a comfy chair, a lamp, and a side table. Add a blanket or clock for charm without overcrowding the space. Wicker baskets, wooden crates, and antique trunks hide clutter while still fitting the rustic style. Whitewashing wood brightens a room, reflects light, and still keeps the natural grain visible. It's practical and beautiful. Even tiny details matter, like vintage knobs, hooks, or light switches. They tie the whole rustic story together. Rustic doesn't mean outdated. Pair a sleek modern lamp with an antique table. The mix keeps rooms fresh while staying cozy. Skip heavy curtains. Use light fabrics in soft colors with simple tiebacks. They let in more light and make the space feel bigger. Details shine in rustic kitchens. Open shelves, jars, copper pans, and farmhouse sinks make them both functional and charming. Pairing chairs, lamps, or mirrors gives rustic homes a sense of order. It makes rooms feel bigger and calmer. French doors or antique glass doors connect rooms and let light flow through, opening up the home while keeping its vintage character. Minimal doesn't mean empty. It means thoughtful. A few antiques with cozy textiles look better than a crowded. Wide wood planks or vintage tiles draw the eye across the room, making it feel longer and more open. Change small details with the seasons. Pastel throws in spring, wreaths in autumn, cozy blankets in winter for a fresh look without redecorating everything. A rustic vintage home doesn't have to feel cramped. With smart choices like light, textiles, mirrors, and plants, you can create a home that feels warm, bright, and welcoming all year round. Which rustic detail was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And if you want more ideas like this, hit subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.